Oh hi, you're back again. I bet you're wondering if I can make anywhere close to as big a mess as I did last time. You'll have to watch and find out, but goodness, I really hope not. It's not something my little heart can do all the time. But at the moment, things are looking good. Think positive. We can do this together. My name is Kelly, and I'm the soaping soprano, and clearly I am also the messy soprano, or the messy soaper. Maybe that should be my new name, the messy soaper. Let's not have it come to that. So I've got our melted oils, our lye water solution. They are ready to be combined. I forgot how to talk. Maybe I'll just be the silent soaper, which should be my new identity. Let me know down in the comments. So today's soap is still in our cocktail theme. It is the Lavender Martini from Nature's Garden. It smells super awesome. I'm actually a fan, and I'm not a big martini person, but I like this one. So let's combine everything and get ready. I've got our colors all added. This is Harold's Purple Crayon from Mad Micas and Royal Purple from Nurture Soap. I like this one because it's got a little bit of gold shimmery sheen to it. So I'm going to mix those up, add the fragrance, and then we'll get ready to pour. Alright, we're ready to pour. So I'm going to pour in almost all of the darker purple, and then we're going to do a drop swirl with the lighter purple. So I'm leaving about that much. Put that aside, and we're going to take our lighter purple, and I'm going to drop it from kind of high. Don't worry about the bubbles. I know it looks like there's a lot of them, and there are. We will be tapping it on the floor, probably. Maybe the desk. Table. This is not a desk, this is a table. And now we're going to pour it closer so that we get a nice swirl there too. And then just kind of ziggity-zag a little bit. And a little bit more. And so I have about that much left. So I'm going to take the dark purple again and use it to help swirl the top and everywhere. And just a little bit of the extra dribble on the top. We'll wait a little while for that to set up, and then we'll come back and texture the top. Okay, so we're back to texture the top. I've got my one done where I tested it. So now we're just going to do the same thing. We're pushing it up towards the middle. Just kind of on the side, getting a nice little thing going on. And we'll do it on the other side, same thing. Making a nice little texture. And now we go just once down the middle. Just like that. And then we are going to take some biodegradable glitter. I have it in a glitter powder sprayer thingy that I think I got from Brambleberry, but several places have it. Makes it a little bit easier. So I'm going to coat the top in this rainbow silver holographic biodegradable glitter stuff to make it a little more exciting. And then we have the rubbing alcohol. And we'll be back in a couple days to cut it. Alright, we're back with our Lavender Martini soap. I hope the camera is picking up this sparkle because it is just amazing. This might be my favorite new soap that I've made for quite a while, until the next one anyway, because purple's my favorite color and I love glitter. So this is a recipe for amazing right here. Let's cut it out. Let's cut it out. Let's cut it up and see what fun stuff is swirling underneath this surface. And take one right here. That is just perfect. I really love it when I get ones that turn out so lovely, because you never know. And it smells sort of almost like, I don't know, I can't even describe the smell. It's one of those where you're like, I don't know how, I don't have those words. Those words are not in my vocabulary. It smells like lavender, absolutely, but with something else, something sort of sharp. It's not quite like mint or citrus. I mean, I'm sure it's the martini part, which is generally a gin or vodka, depending on your, or vermouth, depending on your, how you decide to make it. I am not the martini drinker in my household, so I don't know. I would have to go smell one, I suppose, and that's not something I'm planning on doing right now. So, can you imagine ordering a martini just to smell it? No. These, as with all of our cocktail soaps, will be available on May 1st. So you're going to want to come back then to find out which one is your favorite. See you then.